Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lockdown Techie. Today we'll be reviewing on one of such products which is required nowadays in all household homes, and that is required for a healthy living as well. Going for unboxing and reviewing that product, I just want you to understand some basic things that is required nowadays. We all know that we are going through a tough time of COVID, right? And that COVID has respiratory issues, and we end up in having lungs infections, having multiple respiratory issues that we face in today's world. So how about having a product which would give us some clean and pure air to breathe around? Isn't that cool if we have a gadget which should actually give us some healthy air to breathe in? Because we have already polluted our environments, right? We now need to spend something to get some pure air as well. Spend some amount of our savings in this gadgets which would give us some healthy living. Where I need to spend money on buying a water bottle, do I seriously need to think that I need to spend some money in buying an oxygen canister for me? Are we heading towards that? So it's time for us to think and invest on right things that the technology and gadgets are all about. So without wasting time, I'll just tell you what product I will be unboxing today. Yes, it is an air purifier, and it's a Philips Air Purifier 1217 model. Without wasting time, let's go ahead for unboxing it, and then we'll do a review of it. So we'll go ahead for opening the wrapper. As I had already told that I brought it from Flipkart. The link is there in the description if you want to buy the same. I would suggest you to buy from Amazon because the price is a bit low in Amazon, and you'll get a good deal as well from Amazon as well. So we'll just open this. So we have opened it, and inside that you will get this box. We'll now go ahead for opening this box. This is the normal Philips box which contains our air filter, and it has all those features mentioned in it as well. So when we open, we see this with like and all would be there. We can just remove it, and just below that you will have your air purifier wrapped in a plastic bag. Just open it, and we have a place where I can hold it in the back side of it. Just open it, and that's all. Your unboxing. It doesn't contain anything else, no brushes or anything as well. That's the sad part of it, but it only contains a air purifier where inside that you will have those 3 filters which we will be doing setup. I think the unboxing was really cool and you would have liked it. Now we'll go ahead for a review of that product. So it basically consists of 3 filters. One is clean filter that you see in the first part, and then you have a black series activated carbon filter which would actually filter your dust and all. Then the most important thing is it has a true HEPA filter inbuilt in it. So it will filter those particulate matter in our air which we cannot see in the eyes, and we need a microscope to see those particulate matters. So ideally it's ideal for 672 square feet. So ideally our bedrooms are normally 10 by 10 or 11 by 12 or something nearby, about, if I calculate, 150 to 160, and maximum it will go for 200 square feet. There's a cool feature that go ahead for ideally for 672 square feet, and first and most important thing is that we are doing a one-time investment, right? So we should at least think about all those and then go for it. The purifier, we need to see the CADR rate, that is continuous air delivery rate. That means the amount of air that the air purifier is purifying and delivering you per hour. So for this one, the CADR is 260 meter cube per hour, and it has an efficient low operating sound. That means it works at around 33 decibel, which is quite low. I forgot to mention you one thing, that is it comes around, when I purchased it from Flipkart, it was around 11,450, but you can purchase it from Amazon. That is 10,500 roughly when I am recording this video. I will put the links in the description. If you want to buy, then just go ahead for those links. I would recommend you to buy from Amazon because anyway the price is low and you will get a good deal on that as well. So go for Amazon link that is there. List you some remarkable features that I found that are very cool for Philips is the best. One of the main prime reason for me going for Philips is it's a well-known brand in health sector, right? We can go ahead for that. We have Air Purifier as well, but I went for Philips for mainly these are the reasons that I will list down. First is it has auto purification mode effectively that removes the pollutants. Then we have night sensing modes which will reduce the noise of filtering the air. This has a healthy user protect mode which will disable running of it once the filter gets wet. Once the filter is out, means it is already wasted, then it will not rerun it in order to not use it inefficiently. One of the features that exactly stand out is it will give me a real-time air index. Like if when we switch on it's red in color, that means the air quality is very bad and it tries to purify the air and makes it violet, that means it has purified the air. And the most and important thing that stand out from every other air filter that I felt is it captures aerosols, including those which are very harmful for us, that reduces 99.9% as it is claimed by Philips. And also the best thing that I will tell you is it is tested on COVID virus as well. So I will give the links below for Philips which tells that tells the same. You can just go ahead and check for that as well. So the testing method that they use for testing on coronavirus is the microbial reduction rate testing. And if you want any more information on that as well, the link is there in the description. You can just go ahead and then check on that as well. So that's all guys for today that I had. If you like the video, then please do subscribe the channel for the upcoming tech videos that I will be passing on through.